Welcome to Navya's world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hummingbirds. These tiny, vibrant creatures are known for their incredible speed and agility. Did you know that hummingbirds can flap their wings up to 80 times per second? In slow motion, you can truly appreciate the precision and beauty of their flight. Unlike most birds, hummingbirds can hover in mid-air, fly backwards, and even upside down. Hummingbirds have a unique diet, primarily consisting of nectar from flowers. Their long, specialized beaks and tongues allow them to reach deep into flowers to access this sweet treat. There are over 300 species of hummingbirds, each with their own distinctive colors and patterns, from the dazzling ruby-throated hummingbird to the iridescent Anna's hummingbird. These birds are a true spectacle of nature. Hummingbirds are also master builders. Their nests are tiny, often the size of a golf ball, and are constructed with spider silk, plant fibers, and other soft materials. Despite their small size, hummingbirds are fiercely territorial. They will aggressively defend their feeding areas from other birds and insects. These amazing birds are not just beautiful to watch, but they also play a crucial role in pollination. As they feed on nectar, they transfer pollen from flower to flower, helping plants reproduce. Hummingbirds are also amazing builders. They create tiny, cup-shaped nests using plant fibers, spider silk, and lichen. Despite their small size, these nests are strong and flexible, expanding as the chicks grow. Thank you for joining us on this brief journey into the world of hummingbirds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wildlife adventures. See you next time. Bye.